Hello guys, welcome to Digital Tech. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall updates from your Windows 11. So in cases where you've installed an update and then your computer starts misbehaving, so you don't want to uninstall that update, and ensure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking it, and share it with your friends who might find it helpful as well. So you click on start, then you type in settings. So after that you click on settings to open the settings application for Windows 11. So after that you click on Windows Update. After clicking on Windows Update, you now scroll, or you see update history right here. So you click on update history, then you scroll down and then click on uninstall update right here. So after clicking on uninstall updates, so you'll be provided with the recent update you've installed on your computer. So here you can choose to uninstall them. To uninstall them, just click on uninstall and it's going to uninstall the update from your computer and then restart it. So this is pretty much how you do it. If you find this video tutorial helpful, as I said, ensure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.